Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious salsa de tomatillo. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees F. You'll need about 1 pound of tomatillos, 2 jalapenos, half an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Place these on a baking sheet and roast them for 15 to 20 minutes until they are nicely softened and slightly charred. This roasting step brings out a wonderful depth of flavor. Let them cool down a bit before moving on. Now that your roasted ingredients have cooled, carefully transfer them into a blender. Add about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, which brightens the flavor. You can also add half a cup of water or chicken broth to help achieve your desired consistency. Blend everything until it's smooth, or if you prefer a more rustic salsa, blend it just enough to leave some small chunks. Taste and adjust as needed. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Once the oil is warm, carefully pour in your blended tomatillo mixture. Bring the salsa to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Season with about 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Your homemade salsa de tomatillo is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served warm or chilled with tortilla chips, tacos, or as a vibrant topping for your favorite dishes. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.